Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to skip Samsung login on setup on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's begin. So, I will quickly blast through the setup, so I'm not going to explain what I'm doing. If you want to see explanation on what I'm doing, I would strongly advise you to simply watch my tutorial on how to set up your phone. In there, I go in exact detail on what exactly I'm currently doing. So I'm not going to bother with explanation, since you clicked here only for one reason, to skip Samsung Google account, and I do not want to repeat myself, because the previous video on in-depth on how to set up a phone was like 12 minutes long, so that was pretty long video, so I'm not going to... I'm kind of repeating myself, but I'm not going to explain almost anything. We'll go with don't copy, blah 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 blah. I guess you probably know how to set up your phone, but you just don't know how to skip Samsung account. So let's quickly go through it. Now our phone is checking information, so we should see Google account, which is also skippable. We can skip that, skip anyway. We can disable Google services. Since you don't really have to do it, I'm just doing it to faster the process. So let's go with Brave and Brave. Do you think it will install two Braves? I don't think so. And finally we have Samsung account. Now actually there are a couple of ways you can skip that. First of all, you can go with email or phone number, then you can go with forgot ID, and then you can skip sign in here. Or alternatively, we can go back, and right at this screen you can simply go with forgot password or don't have account at the bottom. And now we can see this little setup later in the settings. It's really well hidden, really small, but once we click it, we'll see this screen. And this is basically Samsung that's doing little puppy eyes, and it's like, are you sure you don't want to log in? Look how many features will actually miss you. Don't you have a FOMO? And of course, we do not have it, we skip it. We can skip legal things, we can disable anything from Samsung. We go next. And after a few moments, we should be able to disable this. I said disable this. Oh, we can't. Okay, we can. We can go with next. We have a little warning on how to use fold phones. Fold phones are pretty not durable, so be careful with them, basically. We want to go with next. We want to go with home. And as you can see, the setup is done. We are not logged in into our Samsung account, so the tutorial is successful. Yay! And that actually is the end of the video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.